Welcome to Chemist Frank channel. In today's video, we have a very hot gist for you guys. Now, Kojo Forex has resigned from Express Funded. This is a funny situation and also a comic one because Kojo Forex was one time Express Funded CEO. Now he's resigning from being a CEO of Express Funded. I will dive into the details of this video when we come back from this short break. Do not go anywhere, guys.
Chemist Frank is a content creator on YouTube. Hurry now and subscribe to his YouTube channel. If you didn't subscribe now, I will take your stop loss.
Welcome back, guys. Now, Kojo Forex, sorry, I greet you, chairman. No be you. Help me touch that guy, please. No be the other guy. Touch that guy. No, that guy that's wearing blue shirt. No be you. Help me. I greet you, mentor. Now, Kojo Forex is part of Express Funded. In fact, he's body of Express Funded. And he has channeled a lot of persons into Express Funded because he's part of the system. Today he's resigning. What does that signify? In fact, before I go into that, look at the official statement. Just take a glance through this statement while I sip my Alright, now you've seen the official statement. I will still go through it in details, right? Now, listen. His resigning from Express Funded is a good one, alright? It's good. When you see that your reputation is getting into the mud, you take a bold step and quit, alright? Save the name. That is very okay. 2, his resigning signifies that Express Funded is a scam. You don't need to hear it from any other person again. Like, if you are still doubting that this is whether it's a scam or not, you are a joker right now. Like, you are supposed to be Sabinus or Brain Jotter because you are more funny than those guys. 3, Kojo Forex leaving Express Funded means that the firm can collapse anytime from now. These are the 3 points we have to get from this system. Now, at the hands of Kojo Forex, with all due respect, you have done a nice one, all right? Protecting your integrity and at the same time telling the masses that this system is no longer working and it's not what you expected. And that's why you are leaving the firm. That's a good one. But at the same time, I have a question for the community. As you are resigning from Express Funded, what happens to the masses that followed you into this system, that went into the system through you, trusted your integrity, and then had to buy challenge from Express Funded? What happens to them? It is simple. It is simple. I'll provide a solution to that. In my own opinion, I'll be like, refund them. Highest, we're looking at $2 million US here. Highest. Just sum it up. Refund. As you are resigning, make some refund. At least refund 60% of the client. And then you resign honorably. That is when the resignation becomes an honorable one. At least you cleared 60% clients off. Pay them off before you resigned. Not just resigning and then traders that are affected, they cannot go to hell or what? You know, they are not getting their account, even though they say they are back. Most of them are still complaining that they can't log in. The server is not working. Some people are receiving error codes and all that. So, as you are resigning, set at least 60% client free so that the remaining 2 guys who are still the CEOs of the firm then settles the remaining 40%. Or you can align and see how you can clear off the table, all right? And then you maintain your reputation as a senior man that you are. I greet you. So the point is this: pro-firm trading now, especially African-made firms, we need to be very careful with them. We can't overemphasize the dangers involved in trading pro-firms as it stands now. Ever since the crash of MFF, some persons are supposed to have learned a lot of lessons, but you know what it is? You know, people like believing more lies than the truth itself. So any small lie, you just believe and then jump into it. And nobody wants to talk about trading a personal account any longer. People no longer believe that you can trade a personal account and make profit. It is ta system. It is scale up, make billions of dollars overnight, and which is not possible. It's even against the law of physics or law of existence. It is always bit by bit. Then before you go into millions, all right? So this Resignation has concluded the whole thing about Express Funded. For Kojo to leave Express Funded, guys, it means it is finished at this junction. Okay, now let's go into what he wrote so that it won't be as if it's coming from my mouth. You know, when we talk, we get names. My name now, we added a new name 2 days ago, Charlatan. You remember? I greet you, mentor. I greet you. We added Charlatan to our name, but it's fine. Clan chaser, charlatan, noisemaker, looking for money on YouTube, so many names. So charlatan is a new one, and we are expecting new names ahead because, of course, we are still existing, and as far as we are a living human being, people have to say something about you. For that proves that you are human. So let's go into the statement Kojo wrote and then how he stated it, so that you stay clear of express funded. All right, listen. He says, important notice coming from Kojo Forex, all right? He said, this is a public notice to inform you that I, Bright Kojo Onipayade Kojo Forex, resign as co-founder of Express Funded proprietary trading firm, all right? Express Funded as a proprietary trading firm requires full hands-on attention and focus. As an entrepreneur, this has affected the necessary attention given to any other endeavor, hence this decision, okay? Although this decision was necessary for me at this time, it was not an easy one to make. However, this does not in any way affect the smooth running and operations of the company, Express Funded. This decision has been made in mutual agreement with the other co-founders, MC Glory Tapelo Mabitesla and Emmanuel Tumelo Mabitesla. I trust their capacities and know that the vision of the company will remain unwavering. Right? Grammar. I appreciate the support and trust you have shown in me during my time with Express Funded. I remain committed to my endeavors in the financial trading community and look forward to your continuing support in my future ventures. Yours sincerely, Bright Kojo Onipayade Kojo Forex. So this is very official, not coming from me. Kojo Forex resigns from Express Funded. So that will be all for this video. First, there's something I want to show you what I use in checking fundamentals from Fastbull, right? It helps me track the market news like CPI, FOMC, NFP, other major news in the forex market. So I'm going to take you through this website right now so that you can also actually use it. The link of the site is in my description box. Once you tap on it, it's going to bring you straight to this website. You can always use it to monitor your news. So let's go into Fastbull website. Fastbull helps you with your news calendar. Okay, so with Fastbull, you can track economic news. We call it economic calendar. As you can see, this is from Monday, that is next week Monday. These are the relevant news you have. You can actually filter it. Maybe you don't like other pairs like Euro. You don't trade Euro or GBP or JPY. You can remove news for JPY, CAD, AUD, CHF. Just remove all these ones. Agricultural, energy, metals. Then focus on Euro, USD pairs. You can also remove Euro. So because I'm trading GBP USD, I think this is just the most relevant news for me. And of course, you know correlation, which Fastbull also provide you with correlation, forex correlation. You know Euro USD correlates with GBP USD, so is likely to carry along GBP USD. That is, if Euro USD is going bullish, GBP USD will also go bullish. So that's why I have to activate this trade. Now also, you can also choose the importance of the news. If it is trade strength, that is high impact news, then you highlight this, remove others, so that your focus will be on high impact news. Once you have done this, the Fastbull system will filter all other news which is not relevant for you. Okay, so you can use Fastbull actually to track your news because it's very important. Fundamentals goes with technical analysis. Don't forget that. The link of Fastbull is in my description box. You can actually come create an account with them, then sign in. You can always track your chart with them. Okay, before you take a trade, check if you have fundamentals around here. Even in Fastbull, you can take signals from top traders. Okay, they also have AI signals if you want to take signals anyway. But for the context of this video, I use Fastbull to check up on fundamentals on news.